Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a chaat recipe. We have made ragda patties before and we've also made bread pakora. I'm going to combine both of them. I'm going to make a ragda bread pakora. Today's bread pakora I'm not going to deep fry, I'm going to pan fry it so that it is a bit more lighter. It's better than being deep fried and it comes out just as crisp and yummy. So let's begin today's recipe. For this I've taken 1 cup of white watana or white dry peas which I've soaked for 4 to 5 hours in warm water. Putting it into a pressure cooker. Adding 2 cups of water. To this I'm adding 1 tomato chopped fine. 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. A pinch of asafoetida or hing. I'm not adding salt here because I feel that when I add salt this dry peas has problem cooking and becoming mushy, so I'm going to cook it without the salt and then add salt later. Pressure cook on medium flame for 4 whistles. For the pakoda filling, I've taken 2 potatoes which I have boiled. I've mashed it finely. To this I've added 2 green chilies, a little chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, chili powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder half a teaspoon. Mix well. You can also add a squeeze of lime to make it a bit chatpata. Now I'm going to apply this stuffing evenly between 2 pieces of bread. Now I have put only this potato mixture. If you want to make it a little more heavier, you can add grated cheese or you can even add crumpled paneer. All that is fine. The bread sandwich is ready. Now the batter in which I have to dip it. I've taken half a cup of besan to which I've added a bit of coriander leaves, red chili powder, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. Mix everything well. I've added half a cup of water. This will make a not very thin but not very thick batter too. Whisk it well, make sure there are no lumps in it. Now to toast your bread pakora, I've taken 1 teaspoon ghee in a frying pan. You can also use butter, but don't use oil. You can use either ghee or butter, both will be good. I'm first dipping the sides of the sandwich, then either side of it. Toasting this bread pakora on the pan on medium flame till nice and golden and crispy on either sides. I'm also going to toast the sides or the edges of the toast to make sure it's crisp on all sides. Your bread pakora is ready. Now to finish off your ragda, the ragda is cooked nice and mushy. To this I'm adding green chilies, half a onion chopped fine, coriander leaves, salt to taste, dhania or coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala half a teaspoon, amchur half a teaspoon for the sourness. If you are not using amchur, you can use lime juice. Mix everything well, your ragda is ready. Now to plate up, I've taken a bread pakora. I'm going to cut it diagonally in half. There you go, perfect bread pakoras. Put it into the dish in which you're going to serve. Pour piping hot ragda over it. Top it with some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, dhania or coriander leaves, and then the spicy green pudina chutney or mint chutney, and some imli or tamarind chutney. Finally, a handful of sale. Do try out this recipe, it's super yum. If you have liked today's recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now and press on the bell icon for notifications for all the further videos that I upload. I hope to see all of you very soon.